Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm about to take a shower and wash this hair. So I'm gonna be going from straight back to curly. Okay y'all, I'm back. So I washed, conditioned, and deep conditioned my hair. I usually don't put my hair in a towel because it's not good for your hair. But I forgot to get a shirt before I got in the shower, so I said, oh well, I'll just use a towel. So I ended up using this one instead. It's Mystic Divine Argan Oil Mask. And then I let that sit while I took a shower and shaved. And then I end up using this instead for conditioner. It's the olive oil replenishing conditioner with the sweet orange oil. Okay, I look crazy, but I'm gonna take my hair out this little ponytail. And then I'll use this to towel dry. But I'm gonna go in with Mrs. Jessie Multicultural Curls. And I don't use a dime size. So we're just gonna put that all over. And then I'll do one side then the other. And then take half out. And now I'll take a little bit. And I'll rake this through. And I don't even need my dimmer really, but we just want to make sure all the product is through. And then we're gonna go in with the Jozi Curls Styling Gel. Scrunch. And then same thing. And just do it all over. My camera's about to die. So I had to switch to my phone because my camera died, but it's the top. I don't even be worried about making the part perfect. told y'all it's ghetto, but it doesn't make my hair as frizzy as when I use a diffuser. You just want to put an oil. Usually I put this oil and then I'll do like a Jamaican black castor oil at night. So I would say my hair is about 80% dry, and then I just let the rest air dry.